So enhancing and broadening your HR knowledge and the HR discipline and HR. First thing we are starting with for 2026 is the theme, which is professionalism. So that's the main thing, that everything that we deliver with professionalism. Not because we are not professional, but it's to highlight the efficiency of how we deliver our service, the client centricity in terms of how we deliver.
The message to the stakeholders this year in 2026, as HR, we are saying 2026 is for HR. And as such, we are working on the development of policies for the institution, just to ensure that the institution aligns with good governance. It also aligns with compliance and address all the risk areas within the human resources department. And as HR as well, we are working on improving the wellness of staff, because a productive employee is a high-performing employee.
The theme for HR this year is to reset.
To really apply a lot more professionalism and consistency.
Just to be more people-centered and digital powered.
To ensure excellent service to our clients by going back to the basics.
As HR, we need, in order for us to turn around our reputation, it's important that we take that team accountability. We show up as one and we hold each other accountable in a way that protects the reputation of HR.
So I'm planning to ensure that I deliver the best service in 2026 by ensuring that I'm always responsive to queries, even if I don't have a chance to actively engage with them immediately, but just to respond to the client that I've noted your query or your email and we're trying our best to get back to you. Thank you.
And as HR, we are saying, yes, planning is good, but let's go and do it. So after the 3 days, it's all gonna be all hands on deck, getting everything done, and HR is committing to getting things done and changing things around.
And we are looking forward to 2026, and HR will be rocking this year. Come to us, we'll show you the service of the year.